What's good, gamers? Welcome back to the video, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm back on Hypixel, but I'm not playing Murder Mystery or Bed Wars or whatever. I'm actually playing Sheep Wars. I played this once on my old channel a while back, and it was pretty fun. Um, but I haven't played it since, so I decided, like, why not revisit it just for a fun video? So that's what we're doing today. I'm just gonna be playing Sheep Wars. If you don't know what this game is, basically, like there's like sheep you get and you can throw it at the enemy. It's like explosive sheep, um, like high explosive, homing sheep, black hole, earthquake, sorts of sheep. And yeah, I mean, I think it's a pretty fun game. Feel like more people should play it. So yeah, that's why I'm playing it here today. Haven't played this in like almost a year, but I'm back. If I don't know if anyone watched my OG video on this game, but if you did, you like a true OG, bro. Get that earthquake cheap, bro. Oh no! Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one has to go to someone. Oh no. Oh my gosh, this team's actually really good. We already lost 2 players. Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness, I'm getting cooked. There's a high explosive sheep down there. So let me have him, bro. I'm in a black hole. Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I'm getting cooked out here, bro. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. So just me and you, man. Oh shoot, I didn't see that coming. Oh no, run. Healing sheep. Those are disabled. Oh my gosh. Oh, homing sheep. I'm so cooked. We so cooked. Another one. I got someone. Oh wait, I'm the only one left. I gotta clutch up. Oh no. Okay. Oh my goodness. I was the number one killer though. I was the number one killer. I'll take it. Keep in mind, guys, this is the second time I've ever played this game, so I'm not very good. And I haven't played this game in a year on top of that. But I got the first kill though. I was number one in kills. And I was the last person on my team standing. All right. Yeah, this is like a fun game where you throw exploding sheep into other people's bases and stuff. It's a very like interesting and it's weird concept. Like how do you come up with like exploding sheep? Like I don't know who came up with this game and like what they were thinking, but it's like a just like goofy fun game. And I like those type of games. They're pretty cool, you know. By the way, guys, by the time you're watching this, I'm probably still on vacation, so this is a pre-recorded video. Um, I don't know if there's gonna be any memes for maybe like another week or so. Because I'm probably gonna be gone. I'm probably still gonna be on vacation for another like 4 or 5 days by the time this comes out. Addicted to the grind, bro. Every time before I leave, I always schedule like a bunch of videos. I always like pre-record and schedule a bunch of videos. I don't know why. It's just like they're just fun to do, and I like to record videos. And then but then when I find out I'm not gonna be able to do that for a while, I end up like just pre-recording a bunch before I leave. By the way, this video is my birthday was also like um 3 days ago, so go show me some birthday love in the comments. I like scheduled a post to come on my actual birthday, so maybe you commented on that. But yeah, whatever. Um, all right, all right, we got this, guys. Get him. Oh, I did some damage to Burrow. Yo, you not tough, bro? Oh, oh, I 11 HP. Isn't bro dead? Don't you only have 10 HP? Oh no, that's like half the health. It's like 20 HP, I think. Oh, poison? What? You gotta be kidding me. High explosive sheep. Yo, earthquake. Oh no. Oh no! Yo, I got freaking sniped, bro. That's crazy. Wait, there's only one player left already. Oh shoot, we might be cooked. Come on, come on, bro. I believe in you. I believe in you. Oh my gosh. Come on. Oh no! No! Oh, yo, we got cooked. We got, bro, we got, oh my goodness. Yo, we didn't get cooked. We got burnt to a crisp. Oh my goodness. We did not stand a chance. Oh, okay. So, that was not an ideal round, but it's okay. We'll come back from it. You know? You're not gonna win every time. Every time you lose, you just gotta come back. Keep grinding. Alright, I don't know why the teams we are facing are like so OP. I, I guess they play the game a lot, or it's I don't know. There's like 35 people that play this game. I guess 35 like 7 of those 35 people that we go against are like really good. So, um, yeah, homing, earthquake. All right, game's about to start. We just need one more person to join. Come on, someone gotta join, bro. Oh shoot, we're gonna be okay. Someone joined last second. That's actually okay. Red team again. I don't know why they always play on the red team, but whatever. Send him over there. Oh shoot, that did a lot of health. Earthquake? Are you kidding me? Send him right there. Homing sheep. Oh, another earthquake. Yo, this is actually crazy. Punch bow? Bro, I suck at the bow. What are you expecting me to do with a bow? Oh wait, I can get him! Blue lost a player. One player down. Healing sheep. Put him there. Send him there. Blue's down 2 players. They've lost 2 players. High explosive. I'm gonna send them over there, where those 2 blue players are. Oh no. Oh shoot! High explosive! Homing! Oh! Uh-oh. Alright. 4-4. I don't think I don't think my homing sheep did anything. Oh no! Come on, team. Blue lost a player. They're outnumbered. The homing sheep. Homing sheep is clutch. Oh shoot. Black hole. Another black hole sheep. Earthquake. Oh no, we lost a player. Explosive. Oh dang, he ran away. High explosive. Another high explosive. There's nowhere for them to go. Oh. Oh my goodness. Look at the carnage. Oh no. Oh no, we lost one. We're down to 2. Come on, guys. We're only at 1 player. Come on. I believe in you. You gotta clutch up. What? No! Oh my god. Watch out! No! Oh, he's alive! How are you alive? This guy's actually clutch. Yo. No! What? Yo, that's so freaking cheap. Yo, he was about to clutch up, bro. Oh my goodness. Alright, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you like and subscribe. Anyways, I'll see you on the next one. Bye!